Welcome to Why Leadership Sucks, guiding your leadership journey. I'm Miles Anthony Smith, and I've written a book called Why Leadership Sucks. I have Chris Elliott with me here today.
And I'm also a leader for the last 20 years in multiple organizations, leading multiple projects, and also an author of a book called Thought Shredder that helps people break down their barriers to learning, especially learning leadership concepts. Sometimes these concepts are tough, aren't they?
That's really why I wrote the book, Why Leadership Sucks, because the leadership journey is hard, it's tough, it's challenging. And I think for most of us, we don't often realize that, and we tend to romanticize the view of leadership, especially from a view where we haven't been in charge and we haven't been in control. But we tend to romanticize that to the point where we want to, we think being in charge, being able to tell people what to do, having the power, the autonomy, the authority, control, money, that's really what the goal is of leadership. And then it really is a lot more challenging than I think we all, including myself, realize.
Your title, Why Leadership Sucks, drew me in so greatly. It just pulled me. I love the title because, like you said, people who are emerging leaders, or just coming out of college perhaps, just getting into the business world, they look at the leadership as, that's my goal, I want to get to that leadership because that's the easy job, that's when I can tell everybody what to do. And they don't realize all the pitfalls that happen. And it's a journey. So Why Leadership Sucks, guiding your leadership journey, is going to be a series of training videos, development videos that we're putting together. This is a series that's going to help emerging leaders understand why leadership doesn't suck. Because sometimes when you first get in that role, you're like, oh my gosh, be careful what you wish for. Now I'm here, and what do I do?